Hey guys, now you are going to listen good conversation with a good Indian tutor. But before that, I would like to say to you, please, if you find something better in my videos, so please share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel because we are learners. So and we are Indians. So it may be some mistake or some new learning things, and if you are learner, so it is my request to you should also watch complete videos, because once we watch complete videos we come to know that what type of conversation happen with learners and tutors. So watch complete videos, so in that situation you will be learn uh, few things in that videos. So and please like videos, share videos, and do subscribe, and don't forget uh, to share your valuable comments in the comment box if you are good in English. Okay, so if what type of conversation you think of, and if you like, then share your comments with me, and keep watching my videos. Thank you.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah. Since we are meeting for the first time, I will just introduce myself. My name is Caroline and I'm from Mumbai.
Yes.
Uh, can you tell me, just give me a small introduction about yourself and then we'll begin.
Okay. Well, my name is Sudhir Patel. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I am working in a private sector. And now I am in Clapingo for my English fluent.
Okay, that's great. Are you liking clapping or how are all the classes, how have all the sessions been so far?
Yes, yes, I like Clapingo.
Is it going good?
Yes, yes, yes. It is going good.
Okay, great. Um, so our today's topic is age. All right.
Yeah,
Age.
yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
I will ask you some questions and you will answer. You give me your answer. And
Okay.
would you like me to give you feedback as you finish each answer or in the end?
As you wish. If you,
Your choice. You tell me. Should I tell you after you answer or in the end I should give you all the feedback together?
uh, after answer, you should.
Afterwards in the end?
Yes, yes.
All right, great. So let's begin, okay?
Okay.
First question is how old do you want to live up to?
So I like to live more than 100 of years.
Okay, ठीक है. Um, do you think younger or older people are happier? And if yes, why? Which one do you think younger people are happier or older people are happier?
Yeah. Younger people are more happier than older people
Why do you think so?
because younger people don't think about anything. Means they get did not get any tension. They
No tension,
freely do.
no
They do
tension,
free.
no pressure.
They don't get any pressure. They do anything freely, free mind. They don't think anything negative thoughts about any things or any person. They do what they want freely, and
Okay, great. Um, do you think that old age is a time of despair and loneliness?
no,
Do you
no,
know the meaning of despair?
no. I think it depends on the person. If a person is a capability to mix up, have capability to mix in a situation, or disappear means nervous. Am
They
I right?
become nervous.
Yeah, yeah, nervous. Disappear means nervous, no? Right?
No, no, no. Despair, the word
Depend.
despair means loss of hope or being
Okay.
sad. So I'll
Yeah,
give you an
it means nervous also.
despair.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Sad means sad.
Despair, the word despair means loss of hope. So we say, suppose a family member of mine or someone has passed away, I would say that I am in despair. Because when someone passes away or something bad
I
happens, we
lost.
say that we have lost all hope.
Yeah, yeah. We lost our hopes. I do not getting something from that person, so I lost my hopes.
Yeah.
And
So do you think old people are in despair or they are lonely? So see, the questions I'm asking you, it it's very subjective. It can change from person to person, the
person to
answer.
person, yes,
Yeah,
they
so
please
I
change
could
person
maybe
to
have a
person.
different answer. You might have a different answer. My
Yes.
friend might have a different, your friend. So it's fine. All answers here
Okay.
are allowed.
Okay.
The next question is, what is the perfect age to be? Do you think there is a perfect age in life?
For living life or to live a
No, no,
happy life.
not an age to which I can live up to. Just in general, an age in your whole life which is perfect. Like you have everything you want in that age.
I think
Whatever you desire.
about to 20 or 50.
About?
About 20 and less than 50.
Why? For
Because
both
in
age, why?
because about 20 or less 30, these it's called as an angle person. In this in 10 years we have all the choices. Whatever we want to do, we freely do it. After marriage or after entering in professional life, career life, we don't have any other option. Do whatever we
We
want
want.
in our. Okay, so we work for our life, or we live our life or our purpose, because we have marriage, we have our own wife, we have our family. So in that situation means first 10 years to about 20 to 30 we live for our own, and
Yeah.
after that we live for our family. And
Do you know the meaning of the word aging gracefully?
aging
I'll put it on the
graceful.
chat. I'll put it on the chat. Aging gracefully.
Grace means God grace, you mean?
No, grace over here means, um, like how we say if someone is dancing very beautifully, we say she's dancing gracefully. Not
Okay,
by
it's
not in the terms of God's grace. Just in general, gracefully means, very gracefully, beautifully doing something with elegance.
okay, means uh, in a sense of happy life.
No, no. So I'll tell you the meaning. Okay. Aging gracefully means someone who is growing older, but they are
Huh?
accepting old age as it comes and they are owning up to it and still, being confident about it. So I'll give you an
Okay.
example so you understand it. So, Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes.
Yeah. So he was such a good actor, so handsome when he was young, he
Yes.
just came. Then he became older. Now he's old, crossed
Yes.
75, but he's still such a good actor. He's still handsome. He still has that personality and charm about himself. So
Yes.
you could say that he is aging gracefully. Means as
Uh,
he's aging, he's, you know, accepting that he's grown old and he's,
uh,
confidently showing it and, doing justice to his age.
okay. It's still now seem like younger.
Hmm?
It's still now seem like a younger person.
Yeah, like it's the thing is, even though he has grown old, he's
Yes.
become much older, he's still he's made himself comfortable in his age.
In his age.
Yeah. So like it could also be that actress Rekha.
Yes, 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 yes.
She was
Doesn't
so
matter.
graceful. She was so she was so graceful when she was young. She's still so graceful because even as she has grown older, she still holds that confidence. She
Yes,
accepts
yes,
that she's old and she's confident about it.
yes, yes.
Right. Okay. So now that I've explained to you what aging gracefully means, you tell me someone who you think has aged gracefully. It could be someone in your family, your friends, some celebrity, anyone, someone who you think, your example of someone who has aged gracefully, sorry.
Aging gracefully in my life experience.
Yeah, someone whom you think has aged gracefully.
Yeah. In celebrities, maybe Dilip Kumar, I say,
Okay.
or maybe nowadays.
Problem. Okay. Now we will just do some quick, we learn some words, new words related to
Okay, okay,
age. I will explain to you the meaning and you have to use it in a sentence and tell me. All right.
okay, okay,
So and as I'm telling you each word, I will put it on the chat. Okay.
okay.
So the first word is ageless.
Age,
Ageless.
ageless. Ageless means ageless means
Oh, you're asking me?
yes, yes. Ageless means
Ageless means someone who never seems to look older. So now you remember you gave me an example of Amitabh Bachchan. He still looks young.
yeah, 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 yeah,
So
yeah.
you can use this word for him. So it's an
Okay,
adjective
okay.
and describing word for Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is ageless.
Yes, yes. Amitabh Bachchan thinks that he is now ageless and he is doing all the act like a anger.
Yeah, right. The next word is jovial.
Jovial.
Jovial, yes. So jovial means someone who is happy and pleasant, someone friendly,
Pleasant, pleasant,
happy.
pleasant, pleasant. In his life or in
Yeah, someone who's always happy and pleasant to talk to. So we most
there
of
is
the
no
time
matter.
we notice. Hmm?
There is no matter younger or older.
No, jovial can be anyone. See, now you think about it, babies are very happy all the time. So you can say babies are jovial. At the same time, elderly people, they are also always happy and giving love out. So they are
Yes,
also
yes.
jovial.
Jovial. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now,
Okay.
last word. Okay. And I'm giving you this word because you had said something related to it. Okay. So the word is centenarian. So centenarian is someone who lives up to 100 years or more.
Or more. Yes, 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 yes. I gone through the topic that time. I read this,
Yeah,
but I forgot.
yeah.
Yes,
So if I asked you what age do you want to live up to, right? So you
yes,
said
yes,
if I'm healthy and if my organs are in a good condition, I want to live till I'm 100. So if you
yes,
live till you are 100 or more, people would call you a centenarian.
yes, yes.
Okay, can you say
Okay.
the word for me once?
Means I say
Can
the
you pronounce the word for me? Centenarian.
centenarian,
No,
centenarian,
centenarian.
centenarian.
Centenarian, yeah. So you take a note of these words, okay?
No, okay,
Okay. Okay, now I will just give you some feedback. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So one thing so all your answers were good. I could understand what you're saying. But one thing, you are using the articles a and the. You're not, you're using it incorrectly. So in the sense, there are some sentences where you need to use this. Like, for example, I think you said something like, I am giving example. Okay. So here you have to use I am giving an example.
An example. Okay,
Yeah. So what you can do is you can watch a video on articles to understand the usage. Okay, a and the. So I think you're having some grammatical errors. Okay, and sometimes what you are doing is you're repeating the words when you're saying one sentence.
Okay.
So what you can do is, before you say it out aloud, you think, make the sentence in your head and then say it. Because when you are saying a sentence, you're repeating certain words. So me as a listener, I am just waiting for you to like complete your sentence, because you're saying, because you have not thought of it in your head, you're repeating a word one after the same word.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually,
Yeah.
when I speak in front of the mirror or mobile, that time I speak very good. But when I book a session and when I speak with the tutor in that situation, pressure some pressure makes on my mind, and so it
Don't
goes blank.
worry. There is no judgment here. It's for you to make mistakes and for me to help. No, it's
Each
fine.
and every time, each and every time it happens with me. It doesn't in my hand actually. Actually, I try it more times. There is no
Try more
pressure.
and practice. See, this means you have to keep talking to us always. So one
Okay.
day, one time you'll become confident, that pressure or that sudden nervousness or shyness will go. So you have to
Okay.
keep practicing conversation with us.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And some pronunciations you should try working on. Okay. Like family. So it's just,
Yes.
it doesn't start with, family starts with F, not P. So it'll be family.
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 Family.